Diver, a smart experiment in a simple bottle. The Cartesian Diver is a classic science demonstration that beautifully shows how pressure and buoyancy work together. Named after the French scientist René Descartes, this experiment uses a sealed bottle filled with water and a small air-filled object called the diver. When you squeeze the bottle, the pressure increases, compressing the air inside the diver. This makes the diver heavier, so it sinks. When you release the pressure, the air expands, the diver becomes lighter, and it floats back up. This simple setup demonstrates important scientific principles like Pascal's law, Archimedes' principle, and the gas law.